Students, continuing the topic of writing chemical formulae, Now, taking example of hydrogen sulfide, students, first you have to write their symbols, okay, H ion and sulfide ion. Now, next step we will be writing their valencies. So, I have written valencies over here, okay. So, valencies are written for hydrogen ion 1, for sulfide ion 2. Now, interchange of valencies will take place, okay. This 2 of sulfide ion will be written after hydrogen and 1 of hydrogen ion will be written after sulfide ion. So, the formula becomes H2S1. 1 is not written, hence the formula becomes H2S. Coming to the next example, ammonium sulfate. Students, first we will write the ions, ammonium ion and sulfate ion. Ammonium ion, you know that it is a positively charged species, that is cationic species, and hydrogen and nitrogen, these are different types of atoms collectively forming a species, hence they are better known as radicals. Similarly, sulfate ion is made up of sulfur and oxygen atoms and carry 2 negative charge. So, SO4 act as a unit and carries 2 negative charge. So, this is also a radical. Ammonium ion is cationic radical and sulfate ion is anionic radical, okay. Now, their valencies are written in this step. Ammonium ion's valency is 1, sulfate ion 2. Students, positive or negative does not matter, we have to write only numbers. So, ammonium ion valency is 1, sulfate ion valency is 2. Now, the step comes interchange of valencies. So, we are interchanging their valencies. Ammonium ion will be written this way in a bracket because different types of atoms, hydrogen and nitrogen. So, a bracket is placed over here, they are kept in a bracket, and then this 2, because 2 will go to ammonium ion from sulfate, 2 will go to ammonium ion, interchanging the valencies. Sulfate ion is not written in a bracket because after sulfate ion only 1 has to come. So, 1 does not matter because if you multiply 1 with sulfur atom, it will remain 1 sulfur only. If you multiply 4 atom with 1, it will remain 4 only. So, 1 is not written. So, interchanging the valencies and the formula becomes NH4 whole twice SO4. Thank you. Watch these method of writing chemical formula as many times as required. Thank you, students.